Today was a day of social activism nationwide. Millions taking part in nearly 400 events from Maine to Hawaii over women's rights as the landmark Roe v. Wade decision appears close to being overturned.
And one of the largest demonstrations today was right here in Los Angeles. Thousands of people rallied outside City Hall in downtown L.A. to support reproductive rights for women across the country. Eyewitness News reporter Leticia Juarez was at today's rally.
LA is pro-choice.
Thousands of people gathered in front of City Hall for the Women's March Bands Off Our Bodies rally. The event, one of dozens taking place across the nation, hoping to send a strong message on reproductive rights to the U.S. Supreme Court.
I think that we felt safe. That we thought that in the United States, there's no way that abortion rights would be taken away. There's no way that American women wouldn't have reproductive rights. And this is a wake-up call.
That wake-up call came 2 weeks ago after a leaked draft opinion from the U.S. Supreme Court showed conservative justices voted to overturn Roe v. Wade, the landmark ruling that made abortion legal in 1973.
If we are to overturn Roe v. Wade, abortions are still going to happen. But unsafe abortions is what we're worried about.
While some of those in attendance don't remember a time before the abortion law, there are those like Pat VIRAMONTES who do.
I remember hearing on the news about back alley abortions with hangers and people dying and bleeding to death. And, you know, that shouldn't happen. We're better than that.
Organizers say this rally had been planned for months, but took on greater urgency after that draft Supreme Court decision was leaked.
And on the ballot this November, you will all be able to vote to enshrine abortion rights into the California Constitution.
On stage, speakers discussed abortion rights and access in California and what that would also mean for women seeking abortions from other states.
It's horrifying to think that an entire population of women may find themselves completely out of luck or out of resources for what I consider to be basic health care needs.
On the ground, supporters held signs, some big enough to read from high above the crowd. It's a message they hope won't fall on deaf ears.
People say, oh, California is different because we won't get abortion, we won't have it touched. That's not the point. The point here is it should be accessible to all women across the U.S., period, the end.
The Supreme Court's final decision on Roe v. Wade is not expected until late June or early July.